to have a travel mindset. Cultivate curiosity and openness by stepping outside your comfort zone, being present in the moment, and embracing new experiences. This way of thinking goes far beyond packing a suitcase or boarding a plane. It's a way of seeing life itself as a grand adventure designed by God. When you carry a travel mindset, every new experience becomes an opportunity for growth. Every journey, a lesson. Every destination, a divine appointment. If you read several books or watch multiple videos and never start the journey of travel, what have you gained? Knowledge without experience is like a map you never follow. It shows possibilities, but you never taste the joy of discovery. God designed us to move, to explore, to marvel at His creation with our own eyes. Our daily routines, especially scrolling through social media, often robs us of our most valuable resource, time. Your time is precious, and you'll never get it back. So use it wisely. And don't let days slip by staring at screens, comparing your life to others. Instead, use some of your time to travel, to cruise the open seas, to visit a resort, to take an expedition, or explore the national parks. The world is vast and beautiful, filled with wonders, waiting to remind you of God's greatness. And when you are standing on a beach during your cruise, or sitting quietly in a park, be present and mindful. Take time to truly observe your surroundings. Feel the breeze against your skin. Listen to the rhythmic waves and capture the moment. But more importantly, take it all in. This awareness invites peace, gratitude, and a deeper connection with God. The travel mindset is not just for vacations. It can be applied to everyday life to reduce stress, sharpen awareness, and increase confidence in God's plan. If you cannot travel right now, step outside. Leave your phone behind. Breathe deeply. Take in the air in the natural landscape. Enjoy the creation that you are standing in at that very moment. Your mind will be nourished and refreshed, and your thoughts will become clearer. Listen to the wind whispering through the trees. Watch the sunlight glisten off the building. Just breathe. Take it all in. Even this small act is a form of travel. Travel doesn't always start with your feet. It starts in your mind. You are never too busy to walk outside. You just forget to do it. The world is still there, waiting for you to notice it. Psalm 139 says, "You see me when I travel and when I rest at home." God is with you on every journey, both inward and outward. A travel mindset is more than wanderlust. It's a spiritual practice. It means viewing travel as a divine command, a form of rest, or a way to fulfill a mission. It's about surrendering to God's guidance, trusting in His protection, and using each journey for spiritual renewal. Whether near or far, let every step remind you that you are walking in the presence of the Creator.